Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Calendar for appointment booking apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Google Calendar for appointment booking apps, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Calendar website. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Once signed in, locate the settings icon, usually in the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to access the menu. In the Settings menu, find and select Settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Integrate Calendar. Here, you will see various options for integration. Choose the option that allows you to create a public link or access direct API settings. If necessary, adjust privacy settings to make your calendar accessible for booking. Now, open your appointment booking app. Access its settings or integration section. Look for the option to connect or integrate with Google Calendar. Follow the prompts to authorize the app to access your Google Calendar. You might need to sign in again for verification purposes. After authorization, select the specific Google Calendar you wish to use for appointments. Configure any additional settings related to time slots and appointment types. Save your settings in both Google Calendar and the appointment booking app. Test the integration by scheduling a test appointment. Verify that the appointment appears on your Google Calendar. If all looks good, your setup is complete. From here, you can now start booking appointments seamlessly with your integrated Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.